Hi everyone, welcome to week 8 of our online art lessons. If you haven't been able to do our main task, not a problem. This week you can always do our shadow artwork task. So what are we going to be doing? We are going to be tracing some of our toys' shadows and then decorating what we have traced. What will you need this week? You will need some toys or action figures. Think about which ones have an interesting outline. You will need some white paper, a grey lead pencil, and some coloured pencils or markers. You can also use paints or pastels or crayons, whatever you have at home to colour in. What do you need to do? Make sure you do this when the sun is shining, or if it's not a very nice day outside, you could always use a lamp inside. Stand your toys on the edge of your paper so that the shadow falls across the paper so that the silhouetted shadow of your toy is on your paper and we can trace around it. Then we are going to be practicing our tracing that we've been working on by tracing around the outside of our toy or action figure. Then what? Well, there are two options for what you could do. You could fill in the detail of the toy or the action figure, so make it look like what the actual toy looks like, or you could decorate your shadow drawing using different lines and patterns that we have been learning about. So think about what lines and patterns we've been talking about in class. Zigzags, polka dots, what sort of things could become patterns? How can you decorate your space? Filling in all the space using lots of different colours and staying inside the lines. Keep your artwork in a folder or somewhere safe. Maybe you can bring it into school when we return and we can add it to our remote learning art wall. I hope everyone's enjoyed this week's art lessons and I'll see you all next week.